Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a seed haul video. First I went to the Home Depot and that's where most of these seeds are from. I really just wanted to get out and take a look at the seed packets and see what they had this year before I placed a big order online. And I did find a few things. So I bought 2 packs of just your traditional regular sugar snap peas that you can find at any big box store. You can find them online at most seed companies' websites. Next, I found these really pretty eggplants. This variety is called Shooting Stars. I did look it up online. It has really good reviews. And look how pretty these eggplants are. I just love the stripes. I haven't had very good luck with eggplants. The first time I grew eggplants, they did really well. They grew into big, beautiful plants that produce lots of eggplants, and that was several years ago. Ever since then, I have had a lot of problems. They get attacked by flea beetles and potato beetle larvae. So this year, I think that I'm going to grow my eggplants in a container on my deck. This variety is supposed to be good for growing in containers. With growing them in a container on the deck, I think I'll be able to keep a better eye on them. And by the way, these are Burpee seeds, and they did change up their seed packet design, and I really like it. This is what their seed packets used to look like. Next, I bought this Congo Watermelon. I've seen this variety online a lot. I've been thinking about ordering it for the past couple years. When I saw it at the store, I just went ahead and grabbed it. Next, we have Orange Tender Sweet Watermelon, and this is an orange fleshed watermelon. And I also brought some Sun King hybrid broccoli. The optimal time for growing broccoli is in spring or fall, and I really have a very short cool season window around here. It basically goes from being cold and wintry into spring, and then spring doesn't last very long. It gets hot pretty quickly, and this variety is supposed to stand up to heat pretty well, so I thought I'd go ahead and give that a try. Next, we have some forget-me-nots. I've grown these in the past. These flowers are so pretty. They're just really dreamy and ethereal, and I'm really excited to grow them again. I did find that I had these seeds from a few years ago. I wasn't sure how good they would germinate, so I bought some more. I might test germinate these and see if I can get any of them to sprout, and if not, then I'll plant these. If I do get a bunch of these to sprout, then I will just save these for next year or the year after. Here we have some tall double mix bachelor's buttons. This looks like a nice mix. I'm not sure if I'm going to plant these this spring. I might just wait until the fall to plant them. I also bought these springtime mixed pansies. Can never have too many pansies or violas. And here we have some Country Romance mixed hollyhocks. And this will be round 3 of trying to grow hollyhocks from seed for me. Last year I started some hollyhocks in the early springtime. It was a variety that could possibly bloom the first year from seed. Something ate them while they were still in the seed cups, so that was a fail. Then in the late summertime, early fall, I started some more hollyhock seeds, and they really didn't get very big before the cold weather came, so I'm not sure if they're going to make it or not. I haven't checked on them in a while, probably a month. I have grown hollyhocks before, but I planted them from bare roots that I ordered, and that worked out really well. But I'm determined to grow them from seed and be successful. So I'm just going to keep trying. And here's some violas, and these are fairy morse seeds. The rest of these have been burpee except for the peas. And here's my last packet of seeds to show you. This is mixed seashell Kosmos. I've never grown this particular Cosmo, but I've seen it in catalogs. From what I've seen, these Cosmos are pink and white. Well, when I saw this package, I noticed that there was purple Cosmos on here. So I thought, oh, maybe this is a variation of the regular seashells Cosmos. So I grabbed this, but when I got home and I flipped it over and I was reading the information on the back, pinks and whites. So whoever did the post-processing on this photograph didn't render the color correctly. It's unlikely that these are going to be purple, but that's okay. I am just as happy to get pink and white Cosmos. The seed packet is kind of cool though. I've never bought this brand. It's Seeds of Change, and this is a foil seed packet. And you tear it off right here. You can just open it up and reseal it. I really like that it has a resealable closure, just in case you don't want to plant all of your seeds. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.